Welcome to the Quest on Demand for Migration video demonstration. A common requirement with organizations that are undergoing mergers or acquisitions is that they need a fast, safe, and easy way to migrate or merge tenants in Office 365. On Demand for Migration is a SaaS solution that enables Office 365 tenant-to-tenant migration of directories, messaging, and shared data quickly and safely, while maintaining coexistence and collaboration. Identify issues early and plan or automate your migration and track progress throughout via our dashboard monitoring. Client configuration capabilities help you keep users working seamlessly post-migration. To access on-demand migration, log into the Quest On Demand platform. Click on the Migration link in the left navigation bar menu, or the Go button under the Migrations widget. A source and target tenant must be added to the on-demand solution prior to this, and consent granted. When you first access it, you'll be prompted to create a project in a screen where you specify source and target domains and credentials. Then you're presented with an intuitive, robust, and easy-to-use interface to manage all of your tenant migration needs. After adding our source and target connection credentials in the Configure Connections option, we start with a discovery task, which scans for all directory objects that can be migrated. To do this, select the Discover Accounts option. You'll be presented with a wizard where you can include statistics, name the task, and specify tenant and further statistics and automation options. When details are confirmed, click Finish. A notification will appear in green at the top of the screen where you can click the View Details link for the newly created discovery task, or simply click the Tasks section. The Tasks screen shows full task progress, status, events, and details for any task type. The task status will change when completed. Now we simply decide what directory objects to migrate in the Accounts tab. Here we select the accounts we wish to migrate with a checkbox. We can create and manage collections or match source objects to pre-existing target objects. This is especially useful for users who have similar account names, preventing an account mismatch. We can also choose to process SharePoint resources and roles for these objects. Since we are migrating this user as a new user to the target, we'll select Migrate Accounts to create the migration task. We are then presented with a simple wizard where we confirm the target domain, confirm the task name, and tenant information, then click Finish. As with any task after creation, we'll receive a notification at the top of the screen where we can click View Details, or we can simply select the Tasks section. The migration task can be monitored here just like a discovery task, and the status will change when complete. A similar workflow is followed for migrating other data. The Mailboxes tab lists all discovered mailbox objects that can be migrated. Here you can migrate mail with the migration task, create and manage collections, and even export a list of the objects displayed. The OneDrive tab follows the same principles and has migration, collection management, and export options for all required objects. The Events tab shows all events classified appropriately over a timeline. Any warnings or critical events will be clearly identified and shown so action can be taken. Here you can filter events and export the resulting events displayed. You can also acknowledge any pending events that require manual intervention. Lastly, the Dashboard tab is an all-encompassing, real-time view of all major migration stats within the project. Here, there are shortcuts to grant permissions, enable calendar sharing, track issues, create tasks of all types, as well as a task status screen. There are also real-time status graphs to show the migration status of various types of objects. This concludes the overview demonstration for Quest On Demand migrations. Thank you for watching.